Hi, I'm Daniel from liGo.co.uk and this is the VQ Christie Retro DAB radio. The VQ Christie is an eye-catching, retro-inspired DAB and FM radio. It comes in a wide range of different colours and also has a real enamel front plate for a premium finish. It's small in size but big on sound with a powerful 10-watt speaker driver that helps to fill a medium-sized living room at only about 50% volume. And the sound quality on the Christie is also excellent, with an ultra-wide speaker driver. Bass, mid-range and high-end frequencies all sound clean and crisp whatever you're listening to. On the back there's a bass reflex port to help give it some extra presence, and the sound can go very loud indeed without any audible distortion. One unique thing about the Christie's design is its rotatable display screen. That means you can position the radio either horizontally or vertically, depending on how and where you want to display it in your home. Another reason we love the VQ Christie is because it's more than just a DAB radio. It also has Bluetooth connectivity built in, so you can pair up your smartphone or tablet and play your own choice of music. And for devices without Bluetooth, there's also an aux-in port on the rear of the Christie too. There's also a USB charging port back there. Combined with dual alarm modes, that makes the Christie an excellent choice if you're looking for a bedside clock radio. But with excellent sound quality and so many features to explore, the Christie would be equally at home in any room. And it's also available to order with a rechargeable battery pack for just £5 more, so you can take full advantage of its portability. So there you have it, the VQ Christie, an excellent DAB and FM radio and Bluetooth speaker which scores highly for design, sound and value for money. To get your hands on one yourself or for more expert advice and reviews, be sure to visit ligo.co.uk.